How is the HR education is evolving? First question, first part of the question. And what role these certifications are playing in preparing the HR professionals to navigate the future of the work and digital transformation?
Let me come to the question what he had asked. Let I be very blunt, okay? Do not take me in a wrong sense, okay? When I say it on your face or when I'm really hitting hard onto you, do not take me wrongly. The research shows that HR is getting into the level of pushing away from the operational structure. So that is the alarming situation where we are in. So we have to gear up. Already the ghost is inside the room. So we have to gear up and we have to put ourselves into the better space. That is the first thing. So what happened is, till now, if you see the HR courses, whatever the courses which was offered, it is all process oriented. What are the tasks you have to do? There are checklists. You please complete all those things. Okay, selection, recruitment, training, all those things is the checklist, and this is what we were training people on HR. Now, worldwide, I'm taking it from Harvard, Wharton, all the INSEAD, all the business schools, top, the global schools and Indian schools. They understood. Okay, this is not the game now. It is not the game anymore henceforth, because two things they have got. One is the internal customers and the external customers. Internal customers are your employees, right? So your employees and the external customers, the new joinees. Both of them are somehow feeling that the HR is somewhere, they are seeing me as just one of the entry in the Excel. So that is little painful thing. Okay, so and what happened is that is not adding value to a candidate who is choosing HR as a profession. So he or she is not able to see a growth or a space in the table. See, you do so many things. Okay, you are actually the spine of the organization. Shouldn't you deserve the important table there? You should be the important person on the table, but are we getting that important space in the forum? That is a big question mark, isn't it? So shouldn't we scale up and become powerful there? We have to be powerful. So how are we going to be powerful? We having done so many things and so much of we are contributing. We are actually the business partners of the organization, but are we getting the real chair where we want to be as claimed as there is the partner, business partner? That is a very big question, because see, it has been sidelined. Let it be very blunt, because when Vijila ma'am was telling, she said, சரிமானி நீங்க எதுவும் பண்ணாதீங்க, நாங்க இதுதான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் அப்படின்னு ஒரு வார்த்தை சொல்லும் போது, that shows the intensity. HR, you please be there. You are not supposed to hear. We are doing business. You don't come and disturb us. That's a very painful state. Yeah, so we have to change, we have to reframe it, and the business schools are in that particular arena now, working on that space. How we are going to change, reframe the whole HR? Yes, process is there, but from there we have to change towards people orientation. It is moving into people intelligence. Data, yes, all of us were talking about AI, data, all those things. Yes, data, but how are we interpreting the data? We are not supposed to interpret the data as just a data scientist. Okay, in a particular department, there are people who are coming on time. There is a department where people are not coming on time. So you have a data. So come with that. Okay, why is that people are not coming on time? Here, people are coming on time. Super. No, we have to go in depth. Is the people coming there on time happily, or because of the pressure of the person who is there as a boss for them? That is where our vision and our space comes in. Are we just seeing the data and just presenting the data? We are not just presenting, we are not here to just present the data. We are a step ahead than that. And Madam Rani was also saying, no, we have to do the transformation. We have to do the transition from the process to transformation. Very nicely she was telling in that. And Mr. Saravanan was also telling that human-centric transition is the benchmarking. So henceforth we have to look into the assessment in these sense, rather than just on the performance appraisal, KPI, KRA. Everyone are doing their KPI and KRA. So what is the big difference we are going to bring in there? Yeah. One more thing which we also have to cater in is yes, how many of us are really attacking the gossip issue, the conflict issue inside the organization? Because this is the place where the internal customers are losing trust with their HR people. So we have to mend that space also. So the assessment, everything should be in that level where we have to scale up, and that is where the whole HR courses per se has changed now. It is more into coaching, it is more into leadership, understanding the conflict, understanding the negotiation, training students for that particular space so that they become more touching the heart rather than just the scoreboards. Now coming to the last question of the certifications, and yes, that is needed, definitely needed. You have to show yourself as an authority person. For being authority person, certification is needed. You tell others, man, I know what I am doing, the business what I'm doing, I know, see, I have got it from the best of the best organization. Show it and start implementing it. Talk, show your space, show your presence in the manner what you have learned. That is very important.